Stay lines blur, late night words, my face hurt, hit this herb, now I'm attuned to the music, don't interrupt, might lose it, don't interrupt, confuse it, fill up your cup, infuse it.
What's up, Experiment Clan? It's your girl Plain Jane, and I'm back with another experiment. Today's experiment is going to consist of this super cute smoothie bowl. It's absolutely refreshing, it satisfies my sweet tooth, and it's healthy for you. For more videos like this, go ahead and hit that like button down below. Thumbs this video up so that I know that you guys are enjoying these videos. And also, don't forget to tell a friend to tell a friend. Now let's get those blenders and let's get into this recipe. Now this recipe, it's super simple and it's completely customizable. I just used whatever I had on hand. I used some fresh strawberries. I did have some milk chocolate chips. I used those because that's what I had available. You can use dark chocolate or semi-sweet chocolate. That will make this a lot more healthier. I used some peanut butter. I also used some honey. Not only am I going to drizzle the honey on top, I'm also going to use that honey to sweeten the smoothie itself when I blend it up. And then I also have some granola bars here. Now you can get like a trail mix or like the pre-crushed granola crumbles, but I like those super thick clusters in there, so that's why I chose that, and then some milk. Now any type of milk will do when it comes to this recipe because it's completely customizable and you can tailor it to your liking. You can use almond milk, coconut milk, whatever, just get out there and experiment. Now let's get to the strawberries. These strawberries are going to be for the topping, so I went ahead and just pre-cut them now. No particular way to cut them. You can cut them in various different shapes because these are going to go on top of your bowl. So, if you want to dress it up, make it look fancy, you can cut them right side up here like I did. It gives you those longer strawberry pieces. So just go ahead and cut those strawberries up in different lengths and shapes and sizes because they're going to garnish the top of the smoothie bowl. And then we'll go ahead and get into the smoothie recipe. This smoothie recipe is so easy and so simple. It only takes 3 ingredients. I used some frozen strawberries. I also drizzled with some honey so that it kind of sweetens the smoothie. And then I also added some milk. And that's it. Super simple, super easy, quick. You can experiment with this if you'd like, if you want to add in different kinds of fruits, or if you want to throw in some vegetables. It's totally up to you. And then I just blended that up in my blender. Now, of course, when you're making a smoothie, you don't want your smoothie too thick because you want to be able to drink it down, right? Well, with this smoothie bowl, you do want the consistency of the smoothie to be thicker because what you're going to do is you're going to be laying ingredients on top. So you want that to hold up. And then also you're going to be using a spoon to eat it. So what I like to do is blend it to this consistency right here where it's not too thick and it's not too thin. It's almost like a sorbet or even like a soft serve ice cream kind of consistency. That's what you're going to be looking for. Because you don't want it too watery and running all over the place. Now, onto the granola. I just took a spoon and I just kind of beat it randomly because I still wanted to leave those large chunks because that's what I like in my smoothie bowl. I prefer the larger, thicker chunks. It just tastes so good when everything is mixed up. Y'all should know by now, this is my favorite part of the experiment because it's almost time to eat. I poured my smoothie into the bowl, used the back of my spoon to smooth it out, and then I just layered on my toppings in no particular order. Now you see how thick those chunks are from that granola? They taste so good just like that because it gives this bowl the perfect crunch. I threw some chocolate chips on there. Added some pineapples that I cut up and then those strawberries that we cut up earlier. And then I used about a half a spoonful of peanut butter. Now you don't need much peanut butter, just a little bit. And then drizzled on my honey. I put the honey on my granola, and I also put it on my strawberries and my pineapples for a little bit more sweetness. This is totally optional. You don't have to add the extra honey if you don't like. Once you add your toppings, this bowl is ready to go. Y'all, when I tell you, these smoothie bowls are nothing short of amazing. Once you try this, you're going to be craving these smoothie bowls all the time. And they're so simple and easy to make. Go ahead and comment down below and let me know what kind of combinations you would use in your smoothie bowl or how you would put it together. And if you haven't already, don't forget to thumbs this video up. And if you're not a part of the Experiment Clan, go ahead and click that subscribe button so that you're notified every time I post a video. But until next time, see you in my next video, guys.